I always love talking about those Callaways, and of course I bring back my mother, Diane Hunter, to help me tell everybody how we love them.
We do. I mean, and they do business all over the valley. I mean, whether you're looking to buy a home or sell a home. But I've got a perfect one for her. If anybody's looking for a nice, roomy home in Scottsdale, I think we found the perfect one.
All right.
It's over 3,800 square feet of living area and situated on almost an acre lot.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the home has 4 updated bathrooms and originally had 5 bedrooms, but 2 of the bedrooms have been transformed into one large single room. One of the bedrooms is also set up as an office with a Murphy bed, so that's
nice.
really handy. Yeah. The living room has a wood look tile, soaring vaulted ceilings, skylights, beamed ceilings, built-in shelving, and a wood burning fireplace.
Oh my gosh, it sounds beautiful.
It is. In the master suite, you can cozy up next to the 2-sided fireplace in the sitting room. Also has a fantastic walk-in closet and luxurious bath. The chef-pleasing kitchen is all new with custom cabinets, tile backsplash, and walk-in pantry. Even has a Viking Professional stainless appliance package, so the kitchen's wonderful too. The backyard is an entertainer's delight with beautiful pool, spa, expansive patio, mountain views, 2 fireplaces, and new extensive landscape lighting. The home has an oversized 3-car garage with epoxy floors, workplace and RV gate and parking, and all of this is $950,000.
Wow.
Right. Even has solar.
Oh, that's crazy. That's a great deal. So
It is.
people need to get a hold of them and come see this house. Thanks for joining me.
Good luck.